Alright, I am inside the former Abraham Lincoln Hotel here in downtown Reading, Pennsylvania. Here we have the lobby elevator. This is a Dover Impulse. Let's go to 3. Here we're on 3. Back down to 1. Very nice elevator. I do love this cab. Here we're at 1. Here's your floor indicator. No certificates. And these are your impulse buttons. No phone as well. Let's go to 3 again. We'll take another ride. This whole level. Anyways, here around 3. Let's see what's up here. We're trying to close. Back down to 1. Got a little bumper. Here we're on the street level for the first floor. Definitely a nice elevator. And that will be it.